cleaning specials. Start off the new year with sparkling clean carpet, floors, and upholstery. You'll get 2 free gifts from your local cleaning company. Your free gifts are given with any cleaning purchase. Carpet cleaning, pet stain removal, tile and grout cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. Winter is a great time to get cleaning done. Carpet, rugs, upholstery, and floors dry faster in the winter. Appointment times are much easier to get. And it's the biggest savings of the entire year. See the free gifts that you can get below this video.